Organizations review their existing application portfolio for a number of reasons. The most important reason is to ensure the rules being executed actually reflect current business policies and practices, and to make sure they meet current legislative requirements. To streamline their application portfolio, this means identifying applications with duplicate or similar functionality, or applications with obsolete or redundant rules, so that they may be merged or retired. And finally, to provide sufficient information to vendors to attract competitive bids for maintenance or modernization, or retire legacy applications by identifying the rules embedded in them so that they may be moved to modern platforms like COTS packages or rules engines, or rewritten from scratch with enhancements in modern languages. To enable organizations to meet these challenges, they must have tools that automate the extraction of business rules from their existing applications. Of course, this assumes that detailed knowledge of those applications is available to enable extraction. If the tools are not available, then organizations cannot perform operational audits of their applications. That is, they cannot readily understand what those applications do and do not have the necessary information to define the business rules. Rationalize their portfolio. That is, they are forced to maintain applications that may be consolidated or retired. And finally, modernize their applications. All of this can mean a high cost of maintenance and waste of resources. So what are the options? 1. Hire an army of personnel with disparate tools and try to painstakingly derive knowledge from old documentation, existing users, support personnel, or by poring over millions of lines of code. This has always been hugely time-consuming, vastly expensive, and fraught with the risk of human errors. Secondly, the new option is Intellisys, Evolveware's automation platform. Today's technology advances have been positively disruptive and promise great efficiencies and profits to those that embrace them. This is pushing organizations in all verticals to accelerate the progression of their application portfolio, with a push to modernize them earlier than what they would have done otherwise. Evolveware's Intellisys platform provides both the data and the features required to extract and modernize business rules by automating the extraction of metadata from source code, including the embedded business logic and data structures, providing the business rules in a variety of formats, and automating the export of the extracted processes and rules into third-party products such as business rules engines, BPM tools, and ERP products. Want to know more? For an initial conversation and demonstration, contact us via email or telephone from the details on the screen.